What's up, people? Today we're going to be checking out the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros right after this. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So if you like that type of content, hit that like and that subscribe button. So today we're going to be checking out the Soundcore Liberty 3 Pros. From everything that I heard, these are some premium earbuds up there on the level of the Sony XM4s or the Apple AirPods. What I use right now is the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. So we're gonna go ahead, get into the box, see what comes with it, and see how they sound and see how they measure up to the rest of the competition. So let's go ahead and get into the box. Alright, so you see you're presented with the actual case. This is the silver, I believe. Let me see. Okay, so this is going to be the gray. So that's what that looks like. It comes in gray, white, black, or purple. So from the looks of this is the gray. It actually looks kind of light blue, maybe, but I'm assuming this is the gray. So you have your case, which is like a slide up type of action. That's pretty cool. You have the buds, and they're in that matching blue, or they're in that matching gray, I'll say. And then it comes with, like, I'm gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different sizes of ear tip. So I'm pretty sure you can find the correct size to fit your ear. And you know what? One thing that I've never really paid close attention to is how important that the fit of your ear tips are to when you put in these earbuds in. Because when I first got these Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, I thought they were trash because they didn't sound good at all. But after watching a couple videos, I saw that if you changed out the ear tips and get them to the correct size, it'll change the sound completely. So once I bought some new ear tips and put them in here, they became some of my favorite earbuds. So make sure you pay attention to the size of the earbuds you put in. If you go ahead and slide this out, you have your charging cable, which is USB Type-C. Then you have your documentation, quick start guide, and your warranty information. Then you also have some contact information. Now if you look here on the box, it shows you some step-by-step instructions on how to make sure you have the perfect fit. So make sure you definitely pay attention to this. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and get everything put in the case and get them charged up. So what's cool is when you put them in, I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a little light that shows you that they're actually in correctly and they're charging. So that's a nice little touch there by Soundcore. So right here on the case, it has these 3 indicator lights, which will give you the status of your battery. On the back, you have your USB Type-C and a reset button. Now this case is also compatible with wireless charging. So if you have any Qi wireless charger pad, it'll work with this. So you don't actually have to plug it up. You can just sit it down on a charger pad to get your charge. So this right here is a Samsung wireless charging pad, and if you can see, I put this on there and it's charging. So alright, so let's go down the list of features this has. So first of all, the retail price for this is $169, and that's about on par with most of your higher end earbuds. So it actually supports high quality audio with LDAC, so that's a really nice feature on these, because I definitely love that feature on my Sony XM4s. So it's really nice to have that on a pair of earbuds. So for the battery life, it's about 8 hours on the earbuds, but then when you include the case, it's about 32 hours. So that's really good. Now that's if you do not have noise cancellation on. If you do have noise cancellation on, it's about 6 hours. So keep that in mind. And with that being said, it does offer noise cancellation. So if you're on a plane, you don't want to hear the babies crying, that's a really nice feature. So it sports Bluetooth 5.2. You can actually connect this to 2 different devices at the same time, which is a feature that I pretty much going to need on any of my earbuds or headphones that I get from here on out. Because if I'm going back and forth between my phone and my iPad, I don't want to have to go through the process of repairing every time I'm switching from device to device. So that's a great feature there. They also have something called Hear ID ANC, and this is their Soundcore's program that they use. You're gonna actually run through this when you set up the headphones on your phone, but it goes through and it actually measures your ear. It goes through like a little test to see how you're hearing things, and then it calibrates the EQ based on your particular hearing situation. So also a nice feature. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop these in, see what they sound like, and then I'll be back to give you my final impressions. Ooh, alright, so these sound really good. The bass, if you like bass in your music, you're gonna really love these. The bass is really nice. It's not to the point where it muddies the music up, because you can still hear the high ends, but I think the bass is what stands out for me. Like, I really like these. Now, right now these are the earbuds that I use for the most part. These are a cheaper pair of Soundcores. These are about 40 bucks. I use these for the gym. These also sound really good. And my main earbuds right now are the Samsung Galaxy Pros. And I would have to say these sound better than the Samsung Galaxy Pros. So if you have heard these and you like these, you're gonna love these. So yeah, I definitely recommend you go out, grab a pair of these, try them out, and for $169, I would say it's a pretty good bang for your buck. So that's going to be the end of this video. If you have any other questions about these, drop them down in the comment section and I'll be sure to get to them. All right, until the next time, peace out.